They're so flat, it should actually be a crime. Hi, I'm Annabelle. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a room makeover. Since I moved in here, I actually never decorated, and I think we're coming up on 3 years now. My room is plain white. It literally looks like an insane asylum. But we're going to change that today. I'm not planning on doing anything too crazy. I'm not buying any new furniture or anything, just a few decor to add some personality to my room. I'm going to try and thrift some things. I'm also going to order some things online. Anything that I order online, I will link on my Amazon storefront or on my LTK. You can find both in the description below. But yeah, I'm rambling too much. Let's get into the video. I have like a bunch of Polaroid pictures, and I'm thinking I could get like a frame and then like line them in the frame. I don't know if that makes sense. I can't tell if I'm tired or if there's just not that many things in the thrift store. Because like the things I usually thrift are like blazers and like jackets, but I feel like I have enough of those. Like I technically don't need a new jacket. This is kind of cute, but I don't know if pink is my vibe. This was kind of a bust. I think I'm going to head home now because I'm so tired and I feel like it's not even letting me find anything. Okay, it's been a few days. I'm going to show you guys the things I ended up leaving the thrift store with. It was kind of a bust. I showed you guys this frame. It was $4.99 for the frame. Also coming back from the thrift store, and I wish I got more frames because I just saw a TikTok video of someone like framing their Aritzia package, because you know they put like these really fun designs on them, and like that's so smart. And I just got this set from Aritzia, so I have a brand new package. You guys can't see, but it's just a matching workout set. I already have this tank top in black. I think it's the butter one, but the leggings that I have from Aritzia have a front seam, and I saw this one, it doesn't have a front seam, so I'm literally obsessed. I'm going to put this on my LTK if you guys are interested, even though you guys can't even see the full thing. But anyways, the next thing that I got, you guys saw this, it was just this pink box. I'm not a pink person, so I'm not sure why I gravitated towards this. However, she looks cute. And I have like a shelf in my room that doesn't have a door, so it currently has black boxes on there, but I felt like pink could be like a cute like pop of color, you know. I'm not sure what I'm going to store in it yet, but we'll see. The last thing that I got unrelated to my bedroom makeover is just this Tommy Hilfiger sweater. This color looks kind of harsh on me. I don't know, but I just thought it could be cute, so I got it. And that's it. The things that I ordered from IKEA also came in, so we're going to unbox that as well. Even though I never decorated my room when I initially moved in, I'm still trying not to spend as much money on this renovation. Technically, I don't think my room needs that much, so it's more of like an uplift, not like a full-on redecoration. So just changing little things like sheets. There's absolutely no decoration in my room, so I got a few things. First thing, I got hangers, just because I have so many clothes and I feel like not enough hangers, so I just got this. I think it was $2. Then I got this duvet cover because I have mine is just plain white, and I feel like that is kind of adding to the insane asylum look that my room looks like. So I got this one. I ordered sheets from Amazon. They haven't come in yet. I think they'll be coming in tomorrow, so I'll show you guys when they come. Then I got this fake plant, and then the final thing that I got this hanging shelf. I only got one because, as I suspected, this is too long for the wall that I wanted to put it on in my room. So I might just use this one for my bathroom and order a smaller one for my room. That is everything so far. But the first part of every makeover is cleaning. So we're going to do that. I need to clean the box and the frame that I got from the thrift store. But I just need to clean my room. So let's head there. This is the shelf I was talking about that I think would be nice to have the pink box, but I actually can't believe this is going on the internet. There's clothes everywhere. I don't even know where to start from. Thankfully, a couple weeks ago, I did a deep clean. So as bad as this looks, there's a lot less clothes here right now than they were about a month ago. Before we even get started with this, I'm going to help myself to a nice can of Alani. This is the Cosmic Stardust. Oh, that's so good. I probably shouldn't be having an energy drink on an empty stomach, but who cares? I think what I'm going to start with is putting the clothes in the right place. I'm going to grab the hangers that we just ordered. I have a pile of like fresh laundry here. I also have a laundry basket here that I bought as a replacement of my old one, which looks so raggedy. However, I have so much clothes that I have to use this one for storage and then keep the raggedy one for my actual dirty clothes. But we're going to change that because I think it's also occupying way too much space in my room. I have most of this pile done here. Let's switch gears a little bit and focus on putting sweaters in here. So I have all my tops, whatever, in there, and then I have my blazers, jackets, sweaters. These are the same hangers as what's already in there. I do have velvet hangers, but I got it from Home Goods or Home Sense, I don't know which one it is, and I'm like, I've just not been satisfied with any replacement that I've seen, because they're velvet with a rose gold, like rose pink gold, whatever that is, handle. Anyways, we're way past that now. As long as it's black, it will do. I just need to keep the thingy shut so I don't notice that it's different colors. Also, this is a new sweater that I got from Cezanne. Such a beautiful color. I don't know why I happen to have two blue things, but this is also a new sweater that I got from Gap. Haven't worn it yet, but I think she's cute. I was able to clear out most of this box that just had sweaters I didn't wear as frequently, and I was hanging the ones I wore frequently, but thanks to the new hangers, we have more space. This place somehow looks messier than when I started, but trust me, we're making progress. Over here, I have like some boxes. So honestly, I feel like I can take that to storage, but I need a level amount of boxes, so that's why I'm not going to do that. But yeah, I'm going to start emptying this laundry basket into like some of these boxes. I'm going to start taking these boxes out as well as take the laundry basket out. Next thing on the agenda is this shelf. So this is what the entire shelf looks like now. I think it's so much better than when I just had boxes on there. Just so much more room to like play around, decorate. I think I'm going to order hooks so I could hang like my belts just right beside this shelf. It's been a few days. The things that I ordered from Amazon just arrived. I figured I would show you guys some of what I got. I honestly don't even remember what I placed. Also, I typically don't put packages on my bed, but I am changing the sheets. Like, I'm changing everything, so I'm going to be washing this right literally after recording this. So don't judge. Let's see. This one looks small. I don't know if this is related to this video. Oh, okay, this isn't bad. So I got a jewelry organizer to go on that dresser. I got LED lights because I have like a platform bed, and I didn't want to change my bed for this video, so I think I'm going to, well, no, I am going to be keeping my bed frame. However, I don't have any lamps in my room. I had a standing one, but I hated it, so I figured I would put this underneath my bed. Okay, this is interesting. I got some artificial plants to like hang. I was supposed to have two shelves on this wall right here, but I decided to scrap that because it just wasn't working out. So I ordered sheets from Amazon. I ordered an interesting color. I don't even know if it's going to go with those with that duvet cover. I hope so. But anyways, oh, this is interesting. I ended up ordering like a little art piece from Amazon for one of the frames because I got frames to put on the wall behind me. That is on a cloth, not a paper, which is interesting. But anyways, I got command strips and hooks, and I'm assuming these are the frames that I got. I think I got 11 by 14, which is the same size as the one that I thrifted. I'm so tired. I also ordered something from Zara, but I don't think it's going to come in time. I think I'm just going to scrap those. Oh, moment of truth. These are the sheets that I got. They're burgundy. I was originally going for sage green, but I already have so much greenery in my room. Like my blanket is green, my extra pillow is green. I wanted something that would like contrast with the duvet cover, so I think they go well together, and like with the green I think it's going to be cute. I got two pillows because the ones that I have are from IKEA and they're so flat it should actually be a crime. I'm going to take all these boxes out of my room now and then throw the new sheets into the washer as well as my old ones. I hope you guys can hear me over this loud ass washing machine, but I'm going to get started on the frames while we wait for the washing machine to finish. I was saying I saw a TikTok of someone saying a fun way to get art is your Aritzia package. They always have fun prints here based on like the holidays. So I'm actually going to cut this package up and see if I can fit that into the frame. After what feels like a million years, I'm finally done doing the art. This is what we're working with. Now I need to figure out how to hang this up. Everything we have hung up, we've used command strips. However, the frames that I got from Amazon, they're really thin, like way thinner than command strips. So I'm thinking I just nail something into the wall. But I don't know how to like use a stud finder. I don't even think we have one, and like I don't know how my landlord would feel about that, but like it's just 3 nails. Like I can easily cover that up when we're moving out. Ignore the mess in the background. This place looks like a shit show. We thankfully built so many IKEA furniture. I found these like little tiny nails, perfect because they wouldn't make as much of a dent in the wall. And there's 2, 4, 6 of them, which like I'm thinking 2 per frame. So let's figure this out. Also, it sounds like the things just finished drying, so we can also, you can probably tell from the wall where I sit because I don't have a headboard. So whenever I sit in bed and I want to sit up, I rest against the wall. So like my dirty hair being dyed, just so many things of like 3 years of resting on the wall has left that part dirty, which sounds disgusting. I don't know how to get rid of it. Well, I can paint over it, but I'm too lazy to do that. So that's honestly not going to be part of the reno. That's not my problem to deal with, TBH. So we're going to get started with the frames. I have my trusty toolbox here, also from Amazon. For this one, it doesn't come out as much, so I'm actually just going to use a command strip. I think I did a pretty good job. Hopefully they last, but I'm going to lay my bed now. It's really dark now, but I just finished laying the bed. I actually really like how it looks. I think I'm going to wait till tomorrow for the final reveal. I'm going to put the LED light underneath my bed so it looks like my bed is floating, kind of. So I'm going to do that now. Also, I like how the frames look in the room. However, you don't really see any signs of decor until you're like fully inside the room. So I think one of those pictures that I cut out for the other frame, I think I'm going to frame one of them because I have an extra one, and then hang that on the wall that you can see as you walk into the room. We have a teensy beatsy problem. I just opened the LED. This is it. This is literally it.
Cut the cameras.
Okay, it's the next day. I did some finishing touches to the room. Again, this wasn't necessarily me moving heaven and earth. My room was just really bland and had no personality. Let me stop rambling and just show you guys what it looks like. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told that like you, that bitch I do it. All I won't cry, you scared it. I'm not. Long if you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it. That wraps up this makeover. If I make any other updates, it will be on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me at what Annabelle's wearing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a part 1. I'm also going to be doing a makeover of our living room as well as my bathroom, so subscribe to my channel if you want to see those videos. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this. I will see you in my next video. Bye.